Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the NYT audio app. So let's get started. So at here you can use your Google Play Store and your Google search bar also. And if you are an iOS user, then you can open your App Store. So here I am using Google search bar. So at here I will just click on here. Then here I will directly search for NYT audio. Here I will search audio app. So at here I can see it, download New York Times audio. Just click on there. Then from here it is available for the Apple Store. Just click on there. And from here you can directly click on the install button and install it. So by this we can just do it. So it's very easy. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.